When qualifying for circuit and county judicial candidates ended May 4th, 282 trial judges were elected or re-elected without opposition, and 76 contested elections were set. Now those candidates for Florida's trial courts face another important deadline to submit the Florida Bar Judicial Candidate Voluntary Self-Disclosure Statement, a key part of the Florida Bar's voter education efforts.
This Florida Bar TV News Update is brought to you by Florida Lawyers Mutual Insurance Company. Florida Lawyers Mutual, defending the reputations of Florida attorneys since 1989. Go to flmic.com to learn more about the company, created by lawyers for lawyers.
The forms must be returned by June 18th, and they will be made available to the public on the bar's website from July 9th through the general election in November. The forms are only for candidates in contested races for county and circuit judgeships. They are not for appellate judges or justices standing for merit retention. All judicial candidates this year were invited by the Supreme Court and the Florida Bar to participate in one of 10 judicial campaign conduct forums held across the state to emphasize the importance of conducting campaigns in compliance with the myriad laws and rules governing judicial elections. At the Tallahassee Forum, Second Circuit Chief Judge Jonathan Scherstrom says the guidelines and forums should inoculate candidates against the hazards of violating the canons. Winners will learn soon enough that campaigns are just the first test. As for the appellate courts, Justice Alan Lawson and 17 District Courts of Appeal judges have qualified for merit retention on the November 2018 general election ballot. The Florida Bar will work to educate and inform voters about judicial candidates and the retention and election process. The Bar will publish a lawyer poll and a brief biography for all appellate jurists appearing on the ballot. Trial court judicial candidates are encouraged to fill out the Bar's voluntary self-disclosure statement, which, like the appellate poll and biographies, will be published online. For a complete listing of those who will appear on the ballot and judges elected or re-elected without opposition, visit floridabar.org.
Visit flmic.com, the insurance company created by the Florida Bar.